What does it mean when Shlomo HaMelech said, despise gifts? And was he a prophet? So Shlomo HaMelech, saying that a person that hates gifts, it's interpreted in a couple of ways. The Gemara says in the Masechet Sanhedrin that there were women that would walk around immodestly, and in order to get the attention of people, in order to get a, let's just call it in today's terms, a sugar daddy. So the Gemara says that when people loved gifts, then it created more death, because they wanted money, they wanted more gifts, and therefore they were willing to act immorally as a result. And therefore the one that hates gifts desires life. That's one of the things that the Gemara teaches. The second thing is also understanding that when a person knows that everything comes from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, everything comes from Hashem, they don't necessarily want anything from anybody. They're not going to beg anybody to help them. They're not going to plead with anybody to join them. They're simply going to do the will of Hashem and let Hashem decide what to send them. They'll do what they say they're going to do. They follow the will of Hashem. If they have a certain job, they obviously do the job that they're supposed to do. If they don't have a job, they use whatever effort they have or ishtadlut that they have to try to find a job. And the point is that they don't go above and beyond the normal effort that's necessary to live in this world. They're not going to beg anybody or break any rules or violate the Torah just for the sake of getting gifts or getting money or getting notoriety or anything like that. They're always going to think of what does the Torah allow me to do, what does the Torah forbid me to do, before they take any particular action, even if that means that they're not going to get the gifts. Why? Because they're not desiring gifts. They're desiring life. And life means they're desiring eternity by following the Torah.